Hello all, welcome to the lecture number 6 of unit number 5. In previous lecture we have seen questions on elimination of arbitrary constant, but at that time we have only one arbitrary constant. Today we are going to see questions on elimination of two arbitrary constant. So if the question is form partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function z is equal to 2x f of 2x plus y plus g of 2x plus y. So in first question we have f and g are two arbitrary function. Second is z is equal to f of x plus y, g of x minus y. So here also we have two arbitrary function. Third example is z is equal to x into phi of y plus y into psi of x. So here also we have two arbitrary function, and last example z is equal to x into f of y by x plus y into phi of x. So in all questions we have two arbitrary functions. So we have seen one note in previous lectures that if there are two arbitrary function and if there are two arbitrary function, then we get partial differential equation of higher order, that is order more than 2. So how to solve such type of question? We see first question, that is z is equal to f of 2x plus y plus g of 3x minus y. So here differentiate partially with respect to x. What is del z by del x? Del z by del x, it is equal to derivative of f of 2x plus y is f dash of 2x plus y multiplied by derivative of 2x plus y with respect to x, it is 2, plus g dash of 3x minus y multiplied by derivative of 3x minus y is 3. So we get del z by del x is p. So we can denote it by p is equal to 2 times, in short we can write it as f dash plus 3 times g dash. So this is p. Now whenever there are two arbitrary constant, always differentiate it twice so that we can think about how to find out the answer. So if I differentiate this equation 1 with respect to x, again differentiate again partially with respect to x, with respect to x. So we get del 2z by del 2z by del x square, it is equal to, what is the derivative of f dash of 2x plus y with respect to x? It is f double dash of 2x plus y multiplied by 2, already 2 is there, so it becomes 4, plus g double dash of 3x minus y multiplied by 3 into 3, which is 9. So del 2z by del x square can be denoted by r. So we get r is equal to 4 times f double dash plus 9 times g double dash. So we obtained this another equation after differentiating it twice, that is equation number 2. So here p is obtained as 2f dash plus 3g dash, and r is obtained as 4f double dash plus 9g double dash. Similarly for y also we will do same thing, differentiate partially with respect to y. So del z by del y, it is equal to derivative of f with respect to y is f dash of 2x plus y multiplied by derivative of 2x plus y with respect to y, it is 1, plus g dash of 3x minus y multiplied by derivative of 3x minus y with respect to y, it is minus 1. Next, this is del z by del y is denoted by q, so q can be written as f dash minus g dash. So this is q. This is equation number 1, or you can denote this by equation number 3, not 1. Next, del z by del y, again we differentiate partially with respect to x. So differentiate again partially with respect to x, partially with respect to y, not x. So del z by del y become del 2z by del x del y square, it is equal to derivative of f dash is f double dash of 2x minus y plus g double dash of 3x minus y multiplied by derivative of 3x minus y is minus 1 into minus 1, which is plus 1. So del 2z by del y square is denoted by t, which is equal to f double dash plus g double dash. This is equation number 4. Now here after find out derivative, no arbitrary function get eliminated. In equation 1 also we have f dash g dash. In equation 3 also f dash g dash. In equation 2 f double dash g double dash f double dash g double dash. So we have to find out some relationship between equation number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we try to find out one more thing. We can find out, differentiate this del 2z by del y square, del z by del y with respect to x, or del z by del x with respect to y. So you can find out in any way. So I am taking differentiate equation 1 with respect to y, not with respect to x. So if I differentiate equation 1 with respect to y, we get del 2z by del y into del x. It is equal to 2 times derivative of f dash with respect to y, it is f double dash of 2x plus y, plus 3 times derivative of g dash with respect to y is g double dash of 3x minus y multiplied by derivative with respect to y, so it is minus 1. So we obtain del 2z by del x into del y is same as del 2z by del y into del x, and it is denoted by s. So we obtain 2 multiplied by f double dash minus 3 multiplied by g double dash. So what I have done here, I have find out all the possibilities of differential equation. First, with respect, differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to y, double derivative with respect to x, double derivative with respect to y, and derivative of x with respect to y or y with respect to x. So we get all the terms p, q, r, t and s. Now we want to find out some relationship between this thing. Now see here, in p and q we have f dash and g dash. So we can eliminate f dash and g dash here by solving p and q. Or here if we observe it, last equation is in terms of f double dash and g double dash. So it is better to find out instead of f dash and g dash, f double dash and g double dash. So if we get f double dash and g double dash value, we can substitute in equation number 5. So how we get f double dash and g double dash? If we solve equation number 2 and 4. Equation 2 and 4, we get value of f double dash and g double dash. See how to solve. We multiply equation 2 we write as it is, and we subtract 4 times 4 multiplied by equation 4. So we get, first equation is r minus 4 into t. It is equal to r minus 4 into t, because I have written here equation 2 minus 4 times equation number 4. So r times r minus 4t, this is left hand side, is equal to r as it is 4 f double dash plus 9g double dash. You can solve here simultaneously also. So minus 4 times f double dash minus 4 times g double dash. So this f double dash get cancelled. 9 g double dash minus 4 g double dash is 5 times g double dash. So what is g double dash value? G double dash is equal to r minus 40 divided by 5. This is the value of g double dash. Next, if we want to find out value of f double dash, we can obtain by eliminating f double dash from equation number 2 and 4. So to eliminate f double dash, we can to eliminate g double dash. Now to get f double dash, we want to eliminate g double dash. So we have to multiply here by 9. So we write next equation as equation number 2 minus 9 times for equation number 4. So equation number 2 minus 9 times equation number 4. So equation number 2 is 4 times r minus 9 into t. It is equal to r value is 4 times f double dash plus 9 times g double dash minus 9 times f double dash minus 9 times g double dash. So this get cancelled. 4 minus 9 is minus 5 times g double dash. F double dash. So what is the value of f double dash? It is r minus 90 divided by minus 5, or you can write it as 90 minus r divided by 5. This is the value of f double dash. Now we have s, so that's why here we have find out s, which is 2f double dash minus 2f double dash minus 3 times g double dash. So this is equal to 2 times f double dash is 90 minus r divided by 5 minus 3 times g double dash. G double dash is r minus 40 divided by 5. So this is s value become s is equal to 1 by 5 we can take outside. This is 2 into 9, that is 18t minus 2r minus 3r plus 12t. So it is equal to 1 by 5 times 19t plus 12t. It is equal to 19t plus 12t. So s value is 1 by 5 times 18 plus 12t become 30t minus 5r. 30t minus 5r. So 5s is equal to 30t minus 5r. Now you can divide it by 5 also. S is equal to 6t minus r. So 6t minus r means this represent that del 2z by del x into del y is equal to 6 times t del 2z by del y square minus r del 2z by del x square. So this is a second order partial differential equation. That's why whenever we have two arbitrary function, more than one arbitrary function, we always get partial differential equation of order more than 1. So this is about first question. We will see second question in next lecture. Thank you.